What turns a small plumbing issue into major damage? Regular plumbing inspections help catch leaks, pressure problems, blocked drains, corrosion, and damaged fixtures before repairs become expensive. A plumbing maintenance checklist gives teams a clear way to inspect water systems across homes, offices, hotels, hospitals, and commercial buildings. A plumbing maintenance checklist is a structured list for regular inspections. Teams use it to review pipes, fixtures, drains, valves, water heaters, and sewer systems. It can include leak inspections, water pressure testing, drain inspections, pipe condition checks, sewer reviews, valve testing, and fixture inspections. Plumbing problems can create serious damage when they are ignored. Preventive inspections help reduce water damage, lower repair costs, extend equipment life, and improve safety, water efficiency, and compliance. Regular shutoff valve inspections also help organizations respond faster during emergencies, which can reduce downtime and damage, safety and efficiency gains. Preparation helps inspections stay organized, repeatable, and effective. Teams can schedule inspections, train staff, use standard checklists, review past records, and pay attention to critical systems. Looking at previous repair logs helps identify recurring issues, while standardized digital checklists keep technicians aligned on procedures and reporting requirements. Inspect faucets, pipes, toilets, and fittings for leaks, because even small leaks raise water costs and damage property. Test water pressure and keep it between 40 and 80 psi, since high pressure can damage pipes and fixtures over time. Also check drains and sewer lines for slow flow, odors, clogs, or backups. Inspect water heaters for leaks, corrosion, sediment buildup, and pressure relief valve issues. Test shutoff valves and document findings immediately. eAuditor Audits and Inspections helps teams complete plumbing inspections from mobile devices. It supports offline inspections, photo documentation, custom templates, report generation, corrective actions, and real-time analytics for recurring issues, overdue repairs, and inspection trends across multiple sites. It can be used for preventive, commercial, residential, leak, water heater, drainage, and compliance inspections. A plumbing maintenance checklist helps you inspect systems consistently and catch problems before they become severe. With good preparation, clear inspection practices, and accurate records, teams can reduce damage, control costs, and improve safety and compliance. Digital inspections can also improve speed, accuracy, documentation quality, and corrective action tracking.